Today we're doing a quick video on how to reset your maintenance and change oil filter lights, which comes as a message on your dashboard. Now this car is a Nissan X-Trail. It is quite similar in latest Nissan models because my car is 2016, so it's same in all Nissans pretty much. So what do you need to do first? Start the car. All right. Oh, beautiful. Now wait till it comes up with the message. All right. Maintenance, oil and filter. What do? Obviously get the car serviced first. Then you press this button, go back. Okay, now you enter, go to settings. Now you go down. Down to maintenance, enter. You go service, and then you go down to reset. You want the reset is asking you, you just go flick it to yes and go yes. Okay, now it's saying how many kilometers you want to reset it. Usually every car needs to be serviced either every 6 months or 10,000 kilometers. So we're keeping it to 10,000 kilometers and gonna reset it. Reset. Done. Now if you go back, you should not have that message. That looks good. Now just to verify, we're gonna stop the car and we're gonna start it again. There you go, no error message anymore. So it's all good to go, all set for it.